All right, you two know the drill. I want a clean fight.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the 77th annual Manical Chairs Championship.
Today we've got quite the showdown between the plumber and the banker.
Let the fight begin. Oh, that definitely loosened a few bolts.
Oh, the chair slam, an absolute classic.
Oh my, forget the God of Thunder, we've got the God of Plunger.
Oh, the money bag, I haven't seen that since '87.
That man's credit score is going down the drain like my wife's Dawn dish soap. I think we might have a winner here.